Welcome to Back on Tap, providing friendly, top-quality work 100% of the time. We offer plumbing and heating services with the benefit of more than 30 years' experience, meeting all your residential and commercial needs. There's no call centre. A real person will speak to you, and you'll find out the cost before we carry out the work. We'll schedule the job at your convenience, not ours, with a courteous and reliable service. From taps and sinks to bathroom and wet room design and installation, for a free estimate and competitive prices, call Back on Tap today.